Good morning, Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Good morning. Did you just wake up, Dudu? Are you still sleepy?
No.
Yes. No. Okay. Good, Dudu. So we can learn now. Okay. So make yourself comfortable, Dudu, and we will have these pictures again. Okay. Can you tell me, Dudu, what's this? What's this, Dudu? Do you know?
No.
No? Okay. Can you say kangaroo? Kangaroo.
Ankle.
Yes, that's right. Kangaroo. Okay. What about this one, Dudu? What is it? It's an octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah.
Octopus.
Yeah. Octopus. That's correct. Now, what about this one? What's this? See, we have the letter Y. It's a,
Đậu thổi con cừu.
it's a, what do you think? Can you remember it, Dudu? It's a yak. Yak.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a yak. Yak. Okay. Now what about this one? What's this? Dudu. What do you think is it, Dudu? What do you think? It's a zebra. I see you are still sleepy, Dudu. You're still sleepy. That's fine, Dudu. Zebra. Zebra. Are you transforming into Spider-Man now? Okay. Zebra. Zebra. Okay. Next one. What's this? It's a
And wolf.
Yes, it's a wolf. Very good. That's correct, Dudu. Again, let us name the pictures you find difficult, Dudu. What's this? It's an octopus.
Horse.
Very good. Okay, what is this one? It's a
Kangaroo.
yeah, kangaroo. What about this one, Dudu? What do you think? It's a, it's a, yeah,
Octopus.
not an octopus, Dudu. Here is the octopus. Okay, this one, it's a yak, yak, yak. Can you say yak? Yak. Dudu. Yak.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right, Dudu. Now let us proceed to this one again. Okay, can you remember this sign, Dudu? What does this sign mean? It says
Yeah.
up, up.
Up.
Yes, that's correct. What about this one? What's this, Dudu? What is it? It's a
Sorry.
it's a box. Box.
Box.
Box.
Box.
Yes, it's a box. Now, what about this one, Dudu? Can you still remember it?
No.
This one, it's a
Shoulder.
soap. Soap. Soap.
Shoe.
Yes, just soap, okay. Now, how about the animals? Dudu, where are the animals? They are at the animals are at the zoo. Zoo. Yes, the animals are at the zoo, Dudu. What's this, Dudu? What is this one, Dudu? Can you remember this one? It's a seal. Seal.
Yeah.
Yes,
See.
that's right. Seal, Dudu. Again, where are the animals, Dudu?
Nose.
Zoo. Zoo.
Ooh.
Yes. What's this one again, Dudu? It's a What do you think, Dudu? It's a seal. Seal. Okay. Now what about this one? What's this? Look at the picture, Dudu. What's this one, Dudu? It's a yacht. Yacht. Okay, again. We spell it like this, Dudu, but we pronounce that word like this. Yacht. Yacht. Can you say yacht?
That.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this? It's a
Mm.
it's a
或者是那个微信进去，我们8745的电影。
it's a jam.
A drum.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Now, let us proceed to this one. Can you tell me, Dudu, what's this? What is it, Dudu? It's an um,
Octopus.
umbrella, Dudu. Umbrella. The octopus, Dudu. It's a thing. It's a thing like an umbrella is a thing. An octopus, it is an animal, Dudu. Okay, see, they look different, Dudu. This one is the umbrella, as you can see. However, the octopus looks like this, Dudu. Octopus. Okay, octopus. Now, going back, Dudu. Can you tell me again? What's this? What is it, Dudu? Can you say umbrella?
Umbrella.
Yes. What about the girl? What's her job, Dudu? What's her job, Dudu? She is a she's a vet. Vet. Yes. Okay, remember this one, Dudu. Okay. What's this, Dudu?
Tiger.
Very good. It is indeed a tiger. What about this one?
Zebra.
Zipper. Okay. Now, how about this, Dudu? What is it? It's a It's a Can you tell me? It's a What do you think, Dudu? It's a wax. Wax.
Wax.
Yes. X, x, wax. Okay. Now, how about this one? You know this very well, Dudu. He is an
Umpire.
Very good. What number is this, Dudu? What number is it? This one. What number is it? It's it's What number, Dudu? Zero.
E.
Zero. Zero. Zero.
Ear.
Yes, that's right, Dudu. It's zero, okay? Zero. It's the number before one. Now, how about this, Dudu? What's this, Dudu? It's water.
Wa.
Water. It's water, Dudu. We drink this one. Okay. Water. Now, how about these? What are these? What are these? Do you know? What are these, Dudu?
No.
Okay. These are socks, Dudu. Socks.
Socks.
Yes, that's right. Socks. Okay. Now, how about this one, Dudu? What is it? It's a... This is a musical instrument, Dudu. What do you think? It's a
Violin.
violin. Yes, very good, Dudu. How about this one? What do we call it? What do we call it, Dudu? It's a vest. Vest. It's a vest. It's a vest.
It's a vest.
Yes, that's right, Dudu. Thank you so much, Dudu. Now, let us proceed to this one, Dudu. In here, we will be singing the alphabet song. Okay, can you sing the alphabet from A to Z? Okay, let us sing this one, Dudu.
Let's sing the alphabet A, B, C. Can you sing the alphabet from A to Z? A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
G, H, I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M, N, O,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
P, Q, R,
S, T, U, V,
S, T, U, V,
W, X, Y, Z.
W, X, Y, Z.
Now we know the alphabet A, B, C. We can sing the alphabet from A to Z.
Okay, there you have it, Dudu. Now let us name the animals right here, Dudu. Can you tell me, Dudu, what's this?
Apple,
Very good. How about this one? It's a bear. Bear. Yes, it's a bear. How about this one, Dudu?
hats,
Okay, how about this one?
dog,
How about this?
egg,
Very good. What's this?
fish,
Very good. Oh, this cute little one. What is it, Dudu? It's a... It starts with a G. G.
G,
It's a gorilla. Gorilla.
gorilla,
Yes. Gorilla, Dudu. Now, how about this one? It's a... What's this? Horse. Horse.
horse,
Yes. Look at the next picture, Dudu. What's this? It starts with the letter I, Dudu. It is an insect. Insect.
insect,
Yes, that's correct. Insect, Dudu. What's this, Dudu? It's a jet. Jet. Jet.
Jet.
Yes, that's right, Dudu. How about this one? What's this? Mhm. Do you know?
No.
It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo, Dudu. Okay, it's a kangaroo. How about this one? This one, it's a lion. Lion.
Lion.
Yes. Okay. Don't worry, Dudu. We will talk about them again. How about this?
Monkey.
Very good. Now, what about this one? It's a knot. Knot. Knot.
Not.
Yes. Very good. Now, what about this, Dudu? It is an It's an octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
Very good. Yes, octopus. What about this, Dudu? It's a peach. Peach.
Pig.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Thank you. Now, next one, Dudu. She is a, she is a queen. Queen.
Green.
Yeah, she's a
Green.
queen, Dudu. What about this one? What is it? It's a. Do you know, Dudu? It's a rabbit. 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 Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Yes, it is a rabbit, Dudu. What about this one? It's Look, Dudu. What's this, Dudu? It's a seal. Seal.
A seal.
Yes. Yeah, this one is a seal. Now, how about this animal, Dudu? It is a. What do you think? It is a.
Turtle.
Very good, turtle. How about this one, Dudu? This one. It's an umbrella. 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 Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yes, Umbrella. Now, what about this, Dudu? It starts with the letter V. It's a V, Dudu. Van. 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 Can you say van? Van. Van, Dudu. Okay, it is a van. Now, what about this, Dudu? It's a wolf. Very good. What about this one? It's a It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox in a box, right? Can you remember it? It's a fox in a box. Fox. Fox. How about this, Dudu? This one, Dudu, this one. Dudu? What's this? It's a yo-yo. And the last one, Dudu, what is it? Hi, Dudu. Okay. Now again, what's this one? It's a zipper. 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 Yes, zipper. Okay, how about this one? Can you tell me again what's this? What is it, Dudu? It is an octopus. Octopus. Yes, that's right. Octopus. Okay, again now, Dudu. What's this? This one. It's a bear. 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 Yes. How about this one, Dudu? What is it? Gorilla. Gorilla. It's a gorilla. Gorilla. Okay. Next one now. What about this? It's a horse. Horse. This one is the gorilla. Dudu, this one is the gorilla. Here is the horse. Okay? Horse. Horse. Now, what about this one, Dudu? It is an insect. 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 Okay. Now, what about this, Dudu? Can you still remember this? Dudu. What's this one, Dudu? It's a jet. Jet. Oh, I see. You have forgotten this one, Dudu. Okay, but Wait, can you still remember what this is? It's really like that, Dudu. I cannot rotate it. Do you know what this is, Dudu? This one? It's the same as this one. It's a it's
Dog.
a dog. Very good. Now how about this one?
Tiger.
Lion, Dudu, lion. Lion. Lion.
Lion.
Yes. What's this? What is it, Dudu? It is an octopus.
Horse.
Okay. How about this girl? She is a is a she is a queen, Dudu. Queen.
Green.
Okay. Now what about this one? What's this? What is it? It's a it's a horse. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. What about this one? It's a Oh, you want to sleep now? What's this, Dudu? Rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, we'll just continue the review tomorrow, Dudu, because I can see that you are still sleepy. Okay, thank you so much, Dudu. Goodbye, Dudu. Goodbye.